Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you've never been here before. You are free. For free, you can like and subscribe and become a member and be notified of all my events. Hey, just click that button. So anyway, I am here with a Creative Memories Haul. I am a Creative Memories consultant, and I want to say shout out to all the people that have bought for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate your love and support. And if you have any questions about anything you want me to demo, let me know. I am going to just jump in and show you what I got this month. If I can open anything up. So this is one of the punches. This is a border punch. And this is, I mean, not a border punch, but a regular punch. This is a tag punch. And of course it's 1 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5. It has one of those, kind of like the cross sign in the middle and beveled on the edges. So a little different than my other punches that I have. Has a different hole punch there. So, and of course, you know, these are the kind of punches you just open it up like that. So, and again, you can, there are your different tags like the other punches that you see. And that is called our 3-in-1 bevel punch and tag punch. Ouch. I hate opening up these boxes when you get a new punch. I'm sorry about the noise if it bothers anybody. But this is a sunflower punch. It is so pretty. So it makes like a chain of a sunflower, so I'm excited to have that for the fall. And then, this was something different that I hadn't seen before, which is an 8x8 size, which you can use this on your 12x12, because I, can use this on my 12x12 and on an 8x8, but this is a stencil. It's called a recipe template, so that you can do a quick layout. But you can also use this, and you can use journaling boxes in here. You can pictures, so many different ways. I love them. And then, of course, you can rotate this, and it gives you a whole totally different look. So that's the neat thing about them. So right here by itself, you automatically got 4 different ways. And then on top of that, you can ignore pieces of it, different elements of it, and make totally different designs. Just, you can pick and choose. So I scooped these up. Our recipe templates go like hotcakes, and you see them on eBay 3 or 4 times the amount that you pay for them. So same thing with these punches, man. You get on eBay, I have seen these cost up to $100, which is ridiculous. There's a cult, people, for buying Creative Memories stencils and these punches. I mean, like, literally, no exaggeration. This would be $60 to $90. Give it a couple of months, the prices go crazy. Same thing with these. But anyway, so I was excited to get this one up, to get that one. And this also, they had a paper pad, not a paper pad, but a little kit, it's called Powerful in Pink. And this is the theme kit, and this is a 4 sheets of 12x12 and 1 sheet of designer paper and 1 sheet of stickers. So I'll show you real quick. So, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So, and I know we all have family and friends who have been impacted, and much love and support to all of them who are currently battling. So here's the pink ribbon, and this is faith support, all those kind of words like that on the back. Oops, let me show you the other page. Yeah, so it's 2 each. 4 designs, and then you got the cardstock. So that is the Powerful in Pink, and here are the stickers that go along with it. And you got your border stickers, you got Faith Over Fear, Brave and Beautiful, In Love and Memory. So all kinds of things that you can do layouts for. So if that wasn't fabulous enough, I was so excited to get this ribbon template. So this ribbon template, of course, it came off of Breast Care Awareness Month, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, BCA month. But this ribbon is used for autism. This ribbon is used for domestic violence, which is also October. We have so many things that you could use this ribbon for. So I just thought it was so cool to have this. So it's versatile. It's not just for this month. You can use it for any causes that uses a ribbon. I'm sorry, I apologize. Anyway, so yeah, and so you can use different pieces of this as well. And of course, if it's a 12x12, but you can choose to journal in it. You can choose to paint behind it. You can choose to do all kinds of things. So you have that. It's a stencil. It's called a recipe template because it's designed for you to use, you know, with pictures and stuff. But it is a reusable Mylar stencil, so you can use it like a regular stencil as well. So very versatile. I love getting these, and I try to get them as quick as they come out. So I got an extra set of these Croctoberfest the embellishments, the dimensional embellishments. That was on like $1.50, so I got those. I needed an extra pack. I got the geometric cutting system because I didn't have these shapes, which was like the diamonds and the hearts. Boom. I didn't get these before, so I went on and got these. These are the Seaside 3-pack of laser. These are real quick. You can make a 12 by 12 layout like instantly with these. And I'll show you. Sorry. I'm trying to go fast. But the thing that's really neat about these, and this goes so nicely with the paper collection, but a lot of these are double-sided. If I can get them out. All you have to do is pop your pictures and put it on your background, and bam, you got an instant layout. So look at that. And just put your pictures behind it. And you can flip it and have it go in that direction. This one right here. You can turn them different ways and different colors just to match your paper. Boom, got a whole layout right there. Or you can do it that way. So I love these two. That was my first time actually getting those. Now, this goes with our Croctoberfest, which is when we have, sorry again, we have a virtual crop in October. Scrapbook, everybody has a crop and a scrapbook. So, and of course, I've already shown you the paper last month, but I didn't get this last month. I went on and got it because I just thought it turned out really pretty. This is so pretty in fall. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, nice, quick, matte. Sorry about this lighting. It's always a plumber. And then that's that one on that side. Boom. I love that color right there. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I gotta stop some pictures in it. And you really have a whole layout. Look at this one. Same thing with that one. That way. I don't think I can't do it that way, but look at those colors. You got options. So that's 3 layouts right there that you don't have to think about. Quick, one and done kind of situation. Both of those laser cuts. I did get this before last month, and this is the Croctoberfest sampler pack, and the colors that are in here, you got Autumn Haze Shimmer cardstock, which is that, you can see that shine even in the dark. You can see that shine, and then you have a bronze shimmer, and you get 2 of each in this pack. You got your goldenrod, 2 of each of these. Then you got your hot fudge and your burnt orange. I just love those fall colors. They're vibrant, pretty. And I got another pack of this filled with sunflowers to go with the embellishments. And that layout that I just showed you, those 3 overlays, they go with that. See those rich winter colors? Not winter, excuse me. Fall. Look at those flowers. Look at that. You got your green. Each side has the sunflowers on that. Yellow. Your brown. See all those beautiful. I gotta show you that purple. Oh, gorgeous. So that goes with that, the sunflower paper. And that's why I got the sunflower punch, because it goes all along with that theme. They coordinate things very well. And these are our fill and file sleeves. This goes with my notebook. I'm trying to go fast. They go in here. And I've shown this before. But they have the different sizes where you can So like different sizes and stuff. So anyway, I just got a couple more sleeves. And this is the right here, to make some borders in here. So I got an extra set of that. And then I got another extra set of the Project Life cards. Oh my gosh, not Project Life. You hear what I said? Paper project folders. These so you can store your paper in. Your paper pads. You can put your 12 by 12s. Your 4 by 6s can go in here. You can label it. You got 3 tabs you can use to label the middle or the either side. Then over here you got 2 6 by 12 slots. You can hold several pads of paper in here, and these are strong and durable. I love these. And then the last thing I got, well, not the last thing, but I got some more of these Party Time embellishments to go with my Party Time collection. And then I got this, these dot pens. So one end is a fine tip, but the other one is a dot on the other ends. And these are the fall colors. And had another color in my cart, and boy, before I could check out, they sold out. I was so mad. But it has this typical, you know, tip on the end where you want to write like that. You know, regular fine tip. But then you have the dots, and you can make varying, you know, everybody into those dots right now. You can make them big or small. And that's a pretty color. Nice fall color. So I got that one, which is, it's called Dot Tip Pen. And I'm trying to see the colors on it. Let's see. The colors, I got 3 of them. And I'll tell you the colors of my pens. I got Pure Brown, Deep Purple, and Pure Brown, Deep Purple. And what was the other one? Summer Sun. Yeah, those are 3 of those. And then I got this one for free. I had a coupon to get something for free, and this is one of my choice. I got the centering, which is actually bigger than like the Tim Holtz ones, but I like it because, grab this piece of paper. So you can see. One, I love the fact that it has, of course, it has the 0 center in the middle, but it also has it on the side right here, going this way, and then it has in increments of 1/8, and it's printed up there, so you can see exactly 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 5/8, 3/8, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, you know, like that. So you can see even though it has 16th to the 16th mark, but the actual number stamped on it on the sides as well as going this way. So if you were looking like at the Tim Holtz centering one, this is bigger than that, you can see. And plus it has the dimensions going across vertically. So I was happy to get that, and I got it for free. So that is my haul from Creative Memories. So if you have any questions about anything, want to see anything, or if you need anything demonstrated, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you, and my website is below in the description box. I dare you to be creative. And again, thanks for anybody who's purchased from my channel. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.